Hello friends, welcome to Apple Guruji YouTube channel. I wish you all a very happy new year 2023. Have a great year ahead. Today I'll be unboxing a MacBook Pro M2 2022 model, which is the latest MacBook series from Apple. This is the MacBook Pro M2 2022 model. Let me open it and show you what is inside the box. First, you get to see the MacBook Pro M2 itself wrapped in a neatly designed paper cover. Then you have the C-type USB charging cable. It actually comes neatly wrapped in this paper holder, which I had previously removed to charge the MacBook. The charging cable is a C-type to C-type cable, which you can see in other MacBook models as well. The major advantage of this is you can use this cable to charge many other devices using the same cable. For example, the iPad Air and Pro also uses the C-type USB cable. Then you have the information booklet, which has all the basic instructions and information required. Then you have the basic regulatory and compliance guidelines booklet. Then you get the two Apple logo stickers, which comes in space gray color as that of the MacBook. I don't know if a silver MacBook gets a silver Apple logo. Let me know in the comments section if you have a silver MacBook. We get a 2-pin charger. The pin configuration changes depending on which region you are residing. The charger also comes in a well-designed and neatly wrapped paper, which mostly looks like butter paper. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know the kind of paper actually used, you can tell me in the comments section so we all can learn more about it. The charger design is same as previous chargers. The charger is a C-type charger. It's a 67-watt USB C charger. I think the MacBook Air comes with a less wattage charger. Comment below if you have more information regarding chargers of different MacBook series. The USB C cable fits perfectly well with the charger. Now let me open the MacBook Pro. The perfect paper wrap can be easily removed. This is a space gray MacBook Pro M2 series. I personally like the color. Let me know which is your favorite color. I wish Apple released the midnight black color of the MacBook Air series and the MacBook Pro as well. This MacBook comes with two USB-C ports on the left. The first one is for charging and other devices, and the second one is strictly for other devices only and doesn't support charging. On the right-hand side, it has a 3.5mm audio jack. There are no USB ports. Apple could have included more USB ports for convenience, which are a boon especially when you are charging the MacBook. The form factor is very light and handy. Once you open the lid, the display turns on automatically. There is again a paper wrap on the keyboard, probably to prevent scratches to the display. This MacBook comes with a touch bar. Though many find it gimmicky, I personally find it very useful. Especially to skip those lengthy unskippable YouTube ads. I'll be making a separate video on that on my Instagram channel. The keyboard is backlit just like other MacBooks. The brightness can be increased or decreased. This MacBook comes with a fingerprint scanner for added security. It has speakers on both the sides of the keyboard. The MacBook is very sleek for everyday usage. It has fans for cooling. The vents are provided on the back of the Mac. They turn on automatically when the performance demands. I haven't had a chance to make the fan turn on. I'll let you know the sound and cooling efficiency once I stress test this MacBook. The USB C cable fits the Mac with a click. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make a video on the stress test or if you need a video on any feature of this Mac. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. I once again wish you all a very happy new year. Take care.